Hey everybody, 5-Star Power Sports weather report. So are you dreaming of a white Christmas? What are the chances? Is it a dream or could it be a reality? I'm about to let you know the answer to that question. TV weather people, meteorologists, even the Farmer's Almanac agree. We have had a very mild winter for about the last 2 decades, but every so often the planets line up, the temperatures dip, and wind blows across the U.S. in just the right way to produce a sweet winter storm. We will indeed have a white Christmas this year, 2022. Now, I'm not gonna bore you or confuse you with the details, but the Trans-Siberian Orchestra, the Siberian jet stream is dipping way low. There's a high pressure system coming in across the Great Lakes, and the temperatures are just perfect with La Nina, high precip conditions to make for the perfect winter storm. That's right, boys and girls. We're gonna be walking in a winter wonderland, roasting chestnuts on an open fire and dashing through the snow. And you heard it here first. You heard it here first. It will be a white Christmas for 2022. Isn't that right, Flynn?
That's right.
And that is the 5-Star Weather Report. You heard it here first.